Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your guy again, Asakwenas in the channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel I make videos around affiliate marketing and around every other things that has to do with making money online. So if you're one of those guys looking for ways to make money online, you are in the right channel. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So in my YouTube channel, in my video today, I'll be showing you guys how to import your email list to systeme.io. So you'll be learning step by step how to import your email list to systeme.io. Let me assume maybe you are using GetResponse or whatever, or SendBird, and you want to leave the email software to systeme.io, and you want to import your contact from there, that is your email list, to systeme.io. You are going to learn all of that process in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm having a very important point I want to point out to you guys if you are one of those guys. So let me assume you have not signed up an account. You can easily click here to sign up an account. It's completely free. You're not paying for anything on systeme.io, just your email address and you are good to go. So there is a link at the description of this video, so you use the link to sign up an account. It's completely free. You're not paying for anything, and you can have 2,000 contacts completely free on systeme.io. So you click here and sign up on a free account. So let me log into my account and show you how to do this step by step. So guys, you can see that this is my account. You can see it right here. This is my picture. As you can see that this is my account. Let me refresh it so that you'll be able to believe that it's my account. So you know it is my account. So you can see it's still the same. So let me assume you have successfully created your account using the link at the description of this video. Then what you need to do is go to this contact. Under contact, you're going to see contact and tags. So what you need to do here is click on contact. So we go to contact. We're going to see what we have to do there. So it's loading up the contact. You can see that I have contact already. I have about 381 email contacts, which I've been mailing these guys for a while. And the good thing about systeme.io is that when these guys give you their email, when you have the contact of these guys, systeme.io will show you everything that's of the informations about these people. You see their email address, their first name, their last name, the country they belong to, the city, the street address, the company name, phone number, zip code, and so many other things. So that is why systeme.io is such a cool email software that anyone can use. And if you're a complete beginner, you don't have much budget to spend, I will advise you to try systeme.io, because with these 381 contacts that I have, I've not been paying for it for over 4 months now. So if you don't have any capital with you, or you're on low budget, you can try systeme.io. So now that we have come here, you see there are two things here: create contact and import contact. But in this video, we're talking about how to import your email list to systeme.io. So we are going direct here. Then you click on import contact. We want to import our contact to systeme.io. So you see it has opened, and I want you to take note of important things here. You see on systeme.io you can import your contact from any other email software, but mind you that you are to import only contact that you have access to. That is the contact that these people has given you access. They have given you permission to email them. If it is a contact that you bought or you get it from somewhere, don't upload it, don't import it on systeme.io because they will block you. So the contact you are to upload on systeme.io are contact that belongs to you, and also you have those contacts, those people has given you permission to email them. So that is the most important thing you need to take note. He said, look at here how to import contact into systeme.io. Number one, he said, in order to import your contact into systeme.io, you must first save your file as CSV file. And you may be asking, how can you get your file in CSV file? Let me assume you are using GetResponse, because this is my contact here. This 381 contact was contact that I ported from GetResponse. So how did I do that? I chatted them, I told them I want my subscriber data. So they gave me the data, then I was the one who downloaded it into my PC and upload. So let me assume you are using GetResponse or any other email software. You can do the same thing. Chat with their customer support, tell them you need your subscriber data, you need the file in CSV file. They will format, they will give it to you, then you can download to your phone or to your PC and you upload it here. Now, how do you upload this file to systeme.io? It's very simple. Now you see, choose CSV file with contact. You are going to choose the file. Now you click choose file. Let me assume you have the file already on your PC or you haven't downloaded it. All you need to do is open your PC and choose the file and upload. So I am opening my phone to show you. I'm not going to upload any content, but I'm just showing you how to do this stuff. Now let me assume I have the file that they formatted on CSV file. Now all I need to do is just simply click on it, then I click on open, then it has uploaded. Very simple, it has uploaded. And after you uploaded the file, you are going to see the file right here. Going to see the file, and also you can do a drag and drop. So once you uploaded the file, you are going to see the file right here. So this place does not really need anything. You can just leave it the way it is. Also this place you can see optional. If you want to add the contact to existing email campaign, maybe you are running a campaign and you want to add this contact into the campaign you are running. Maybe those people that are first subscribe to your email list, you want to add them up, you can also add them up. You can see I have a welcome email for my subscriber, which is here. If I want to add the contact I want to upload right now and I want to add them to my first two email welcome message, I'll just simply add them, but I'm not doing that. You can see here it says choose a tag for imported contact. These are the tags that I've created. I have only one tag. So after you've successfully uploaded your contact and everything here, then all you need to do, you need to create a tag. A tag is where those contacts are going to belong to. So whenever you want to email them, you can simply go straight and choose the tag. Now if you want to create a tag, all you need to do, click create a tag. It's very simple. Click on create a tag. You see add a tag, but for me I cannot create another tag because I have one tag. It says you have exceeded the limit of your plan. Please click here to choose a new plan that will allow you to create more resources. You see, because I told you that I'm using the free plan, I'm not using the paid plan of systeme.io. So that is why I'm only allowed to create just one tag. So once you have successfully created your tag, your contact has been uploaded, your contact has been imported into your systeme.io account, and that is just the simple way of doing that. There's no any other procedure. Once you have uploaded your contact and create your tag, your contact has simply uploaded. Very simple and easy step. So guys, this is just the simple way on how to import your email list to systeme.io. So if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Don't be selfish, share this video with your friends, those who want to learn how to import their email contact to systeme.io. Share this video with them so that they can also learn. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you guys, and see you again on my next video. Bye bye guys.